Welcome back, and I hope you enjoyed viewing the property, and now you want to know a little bit more about financing the property. Well, let's get right to it. The purchase price of the home is $649, and with 5% down, the cost is $39,914. And you're probably wondering, that doesn't look like 5% down. That's 6.15% down. Well, here in Canada, you pay 5% up to the first $500,000, then 10% on the balance. So that actually works out to 6.15%. If you're buying a home under $500,000, then 5% would be the deal. So at 6.15%, your down payment would be $39,914. Your insurance premium that you would have to pay on the mortgage that you get with only 5% down, because quite frankly, you're giving all the responsibility to somebody else if you don't pay the payments. So the insurance premium is $24,000 that gets added to the mortgage amount. So you have a total mortgage of $633,449, and at a 25-year amortization, at the current 2.74%, which is pretty standard out there right now, you could possibly get a little bit lower. Your monthly mortgage payment is $29.14. And right now, $29.14, you would need a salary income of about $160,000 to cover that. I know, it's crazy, but that's what it is. And also, with the transfer of the property, you have transfer tax of $10,980 that has to be added to your $39,000. So getting into the property is a little expensive, and hopefully with the help of mom and dad, that will really help with a good down payment. Now, in order to get away from premium insurance on your mortgage, you'd have to look at 20% down. And at 20% down, you're looking at $129,800. There is no mortgage premium. So you're actually financing $519,200. At a 25-year amortization at 2.74%, you're looking at a payment of $23.88 a month. However, the good thing about putting 20% down, it's considered a conventional mortgage. The rates are usually higher because at this point, there's no insurance and the bank has to make up any difference. So that's why in a 20%, you'll see probably a higher mortgage rate than you would at 5 to 19%. If you put a little bit more, like 25% or 35% down, you'll probably find that your mortgage rate will come down a little bit. One advantage to going at 20% and no insurance premium, you can actually change the amortization from 25 years to 30 years, which will lower the payment to $21.13 a month. Obviously a great payment. So at $2,113 a month at 20% down, this property could be yours. If you have any other further questions and you want to talk to me, you can email me at doug@blacksunmortgage.com or give me a call at 604-219-9977. The information will be listed after this. Please like and subscribe if you find this informative, and we'll see you next time on the next property. Thanks a lot.